What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money and personal finance, and we're going to be covering the Sofi app and how you can deposit cash into your account. Starting off, you'll want to make sure you have the Sofi app downloaded and you're signed up. If that's not the case, you can click on the link in the description or the pinned comment. With that being said, let's go ahead and start by opening the app up, and you'll be taken to the home screen. Once here, just click on Banking at the bottom of the screen and click on Deposit. You'll then be given the option to deposit cash. Click on it, and then you want to click on Find a Location, but before we go there, we want to cover some limitations in regards to depositing cash. First up, you'll need to know that this does cost a small fee. Next, you want to go in and just tell the cashier that you want to deposit cash with them. You'll then hand them the cash, swipe your debit card, and typically within 2 hours, your funds will be available in your account. Of course, that's what the app says, but in some cases, there's a little more to it. So you want to click on Find a Location, and then type in your zip code. Once you do this, I find it easier just to click on List because it's easier to see and select where you want to go. But this actually gives you a little more information in regards to how the process will run per location. So for instance, Office Max, it says that you can deposit cash with app online account. That means you would need the Sofi app in order to deposit cash. But if we scroll down at the 7-Eleven, it says something different. It says deposit cash with card. So for that, you would need the Sofi debit card. And you also have the option to use the app to deposit money. Seeing how one option isn't available for the Office Max, so you want to pay attention to what options are available, because if you don't want to use a debit card, you want to use the app, you will need to make sure that where you're going supports that. With that being said, you just follow the instructions that were outlined in the previous page. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in the video. And of course, if you want more information or tutorials about the Sofi app, check out the playlist. It's going to be linked in the description. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.